हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का निरंकारी वीडियो चैनल में स्वागत है। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम पिछले वीडियो लिंक में हम प्रोटिस्ट की ऑकरेंस और सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में देख रहे थे। हमने देखा था कि प्रोटिस्ट आर जनरली स्मॉल साइज, छोटे साइज के होते हैं और सूक्ष्मदर्शी होते हैं। शेप इनका वेरिएट करता है। ऑर्गेनिज्म आर यूजुअली सॉलिटरी एंड यूनिसेल्स, यानी ये एकाकी जीवन और बिताते हैं और एक कोशिकी होते हैं। सम मेंबर्स आर कॉलोनियल, ये कॉलोनी बना करके रहते हैं। हियर इंडिविजुअल सेल्स डू नॉट लूज देयर इंडिपेंडेंट आइडेंटिटी। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक, यानी कि ए सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है। द यूनिसेल्स हैव यूकैरियोटिक स्ट्रक्चर विद डबल एनवेलप सिस्टम। प्रोटिस्टा के जो ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं वो यूकैरियोटिक होते हैं और इनके ऊपर डबल मेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम पाई जाती है। That is, along with external plasma membrane, a number of intracellular membrane covered structures are present. A cell may be naked or covered by a cell wall, cuticle pellicle cells. Its genetic material occur inside a nucleus as DNA protein complexes. इनका जेनेटिक मटेरियल डीएनए प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स के रूप में या क्रोमेटिन फाइबर्स के रूप में वो होता है, जो बाद में क्या करता है, क्रोमोसोम बन जाता है। इट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 2 or several न्यूक्लियाइड्स ऑफ प्रोकैरियोट। एज ए रिजल्ट, डीएनए कंटेंट इज हाई एज कंपेयर्ड टू मोनेरियम। साइटोप्लाज्म shows cyclosis or streaming movement. Cytoplasm shows cyclosis or streaming movement। साइक्लोसिस की प्रक्रिया इसमें मिलती है। It contains membrane covered organelles. It contains membrane covered organelles, cytoskeletal structure, cytoskeletal structures and ribosome ribosome. Ribosomes are of two types. Ribosomes are of two types. First one is ATS cytoribosome. ATS cytoribosomes present in the cytoplasm and 70 organelle ribosome present in mitochondria and plastid. Present in mitochondria and in plastids. Centrosome occur in all those centrosome occurs in all those which possess flagella or cilia. Which possess flagella or cilia in one or the other stage. In one or the other stage. Each cilium and flagellum has a covering sheath. Each cilium and flagellum has a covering sheath derived from plasma membrane. Derived from plasma membrane and an axoneme having 9 peripheral doublet fibrils, having 9 peripheral doublet fibrils and 2 central single fibers. 2 central single fibers with various type of interconnection. With various types of interconnection. Mitotic apparatus evolved in protist. Mitotic apparatus evolved in protist. Chromosomes are eccentric in dinoflagellates. Chromosomes are eccentric in dinoflagellates. Spindle is intranuclear in many cases. Spindle is intranuclear in many cases. Now we will see locomotion in protistans. Locomotion in protistans. प्रोटिस्टा में गति. Most of protists show locomotion. Most of protists show locomotion. Only a few forms are sedentary. Only a few forms are sedentary. For example, vorticella. Vorticella. Several diatom and other several diatoms and others remain afloat over water surface without active locomotion. Without active locomotion. Locomotion from one place to another place. Locomotion from one place to another place occurs by pseudopodial flagellar, flagellar, ciliary, pellicular contractile, pellicular traction and mucilage propulsion. And mucilage propulsion. Now we will see pseudopodial locomotion. Pseudopodial locomotion. Pseudopodial locomotion. उत्पाद के द्वारा गति. It is slow. It is slow. 0.223 millimicron per second. Creeping movement over a solid substrate. Creeping movement over a solid substratum. By means of pseudopodia. By means of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are false feet are pseudopodia are false feet are temporary protrusion of protoplasm. Temporary protrusion of protoplasm that are thrown out in the direction of progression and withdrawn from the rear end. They make the organism appear irregular. They make the organism appear irregular. Pseudopodia are locomotory organ of slime molds, sarcodines, and amoeboid cells of metazoan. They are of four types. Pseudopodia are of four types. Number 1, lobopodia. The pseudopodia are broad and broad and irregular with blunt end, and irregular with blunt end. For example, in amoeba. Number second, Philopodia. Philopodia. They are fine protoplasmic threads. They are fine protoplasmic threads formed of mostly cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. For example, Euglypha. Number third is Reticulopodia. These pseudopodia are thin. Long branching structure. Which form a network. Network. Example, Alpedium. Number 4, Axopodia. The pseudopodia are stiff long. Protoplasmic protrusion. With hard axial filament. Example, Actinosphaerium. Number second is flagellar locomotion. Number second is flagellar locomotion. It is performed by flagella. This type of locomotion is performed by flagella. Flagella are long. 100 to 150 millimicron into 0.5 millimicron, 0.5 millimicron. Hair like membrane bound, hair like membrane bound. Protoplasmic outgrowths, protoplasmic outgrowths that perform independent symmetrical and undulatory movement. Symmetrical and undulatory movement. A flagellum consists of an external sheath derived from plasma membrane and a microtubular axoneme. Plasma membrane and outer microtubular axoneme. Axoneme has 9 doublet fibrils. Axoneme has 9 doublet fibrils to the periphery and 2 central single tubular structures, that is 9+2 arrangement. The sheath surface may be smooth. The sheath surface may be smooth or bear lateral outgrowth outgrowth called mastigonemes. Lateral outgrowth called mastigonemes. Flagellar locomotion is found in euglenoids, for example in euglena, dinoflagellates, for example peridium, and zooflagellates for example giardia, leishmania, and trypanosoma in trypanosoma. Third type of movement is a ciliary movement. movement. It is a locomotion performed by cilia. Locomotion performed by cilia. Cilia are similar to flagella in structure. Cilia are similar to flagella in structure, but are always smooth. But are always smooth. They are shorter. They are shorter, but width is equal to that of flagella. Is equal to that of flagella. Cilia are numerous. Cilia are numerous. They generally occur all over the body of protist. They occur generally all over the body of protist, but can also be restricted to certain areas. But can also be restricted to certain area. Cilia perform highly coordinated, fast, asymmetrical, sweeping or rowing type of movement. The speed of locomotion is 0.4 to 2 km per second. All the cilia of individual or group perform either isochronic or metachronic. Ciliary locomotion occur in group ciliata, that is paramecium. Next type of locomotion is pellicular contractile. Pellicular contractile. Pellicular contractile are wriggling locomotion. Wriggling locomotion. A wave of contraction and expansion. A wave of contraction and expansion passes through the body. Passage through the body by means of special contractile. By means of special contractile, a structure popularly called myoneum fibrils. Myoneum fibrils, and this type of locomotion is found in monocystis. They are formed of pellicle plate they are formed of pellicle plate in euglena. Second type of motion is mucilage propulsion. Mucilage propulsion. It occurs in diatoms. It occurs in diatoms. Diatoms secrete mucilage. Diatoms secrete mucilage which is passed out in one direction. Which is passed out in one direction while the unicells are propelled. While the unicells are propelled in opposite direction. तो दोस्तों हम लोग इस वीडियो लिंक में किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा के जंतुओं में विभिन्न प्रकार की लोकोमोशन या जो गति होती है उनके बारे में देख रहे थे। अगले वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा के जंतुओं में रेस्पिरेशन, मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन एंड रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में देखेंगे। तो आप हमारे अगले वीडियो लिंक की प्रतीक्षा करें और अगर आपको हमारा ये कंटेंट आपके रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप हमारे वीडियो लिंक को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।